welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm going to be showing you guys my fidgets, and I've put it in a new box right here. So, yeah. But before we get started, we've got to do a subscribe and notification bell challenge. What finger should we use? Let's use... I'm going to let this mermaid squishy tell me. Our thumb. Let's use our thumb. She said. Hear that? Our thumb. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you guys did it, I want you to... I'm going to change it. I'm going to switch it up. I want you guys to comment a pink, and if you're a girl, comment the pink heart, and if you're a boy, comment the blue heart. Okay? If you did it. Okay, so first off, I have all of my fidgets in this box right here. Let's start off with the squishies. No, let's start off with the puppets. So, I have my square pink puppet downstairs. Do you guys know what it looks like? It's like this wide and like this tall. It's a square pink, light pink puppet. I think I showed it on one of my videos. Okay, so I got this puppet that I got from Maeve Kenny. So shout out to Maeve Kenny today. Good job. This puppet I got from Maeve Kenny. Next, I have this yellow puppet. Yellow circle puppet. It was my first puppet. Now I have this octopus puppet. It's yellow, blue, and pink. Yeah, and then my last puppet that I have here is the cupcake. There. Okay, so that's all my puppets. Now let me show you all the squishies. I had another one. Don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. So I'll start with my biggest ones. Probably, I think it's this one. My little cake squishy. It's not a slow riser. Look. See. Next, I have this half of a watermelon squishy. This one's also not a slow riser. Then I have this donut that I colored. This one's definitely not a slow riser. Then I have this one, which is a slow riser. It's Little Bear. So yeah, I'm sorry if my hand was in the way. Next, I have monkey noodles. Oh yeah, at the end, I'm going to be rating all of them. I have a yellow monkey noodle. I have a purple monkey noodle. I have... What color is that? What color is this? I think that's yellow. I have a pink monkey noodle and a blue monkey. So, that's all my monkey noodles. I like doing that. Next, this is a not really a fidget. It's like a 4th of July necklace. So it's a long story. Pretty much all my subscribers are from Kramer Lane. So in Kramer Lane, on every Wednesday, I don't know if you guys do this, but on every Wednesday, on every Wednesday, we would have something to do or wear. So our last Wednesday was red, white, and blue. So that's how I got these. But now there's no more because we did the last one. So that was our last one. And I use these as a fidget because I feel so good like when you would squeeze them. Because there's like, it's like stars on them and little balls, and it just feels so good. And it sounds nice. Listen. So yeah, they're kind of like ramen noodles. And then I have this. It's a milkshake slime. Gotta move you guys up closer. Take my chair. Sorry. This way. There we go. Much better. I have this. It's a milkshake slime. So right here's the slime. And here's I like to call it a plunger because if you look at it, it looks like a plunger in the inside. So I'm going to take the cap off. My milkshake. See, doesn't this look like, oopsies. Doesn't this look like a plunger? And then here's the poop in the toilet. Okay. Then I have the slime in here. I don't really want to take it out in my room, but I'll do it for you guys. It has all different confettis in it, that's why, and I didn't want to take it all over my rug. And it doesn't stretch that good. So yeah, I have one more thing in there. Yeah, one more thing. Oh yeah, I have a zipper. You know those like zippers that you pull back and forth? Yeah, so I have that, but it's not in here. Last I have this snake. Snaky, the colors are light blue and yellow. Comment down below which color you like better on here, blue or yellow. Actually, this reminds me, today we had field day, and the yellow kind of reminds me of gold, and the blue is blue. For our teams for field day, it's blue and gold. And guess which team I am on, and my sister's on. Either blue or gold. And I'll tell you at the end, don't worry. So, I'll tell you who won this year. Ready? Drum roll, please. The gold team won! So, yeah. So, I was on the gold team, so my team won. And I don't know if you guys know what the dash is, but I won it. That's probably how I got most of the points for the gold team. And I won the dash. And I'm not that fast, so I don't know how I did that. Yeah. And when we did tug of war, our teacher, Mr. Z, our teacher, Mr. Z, for the last round, because normally for tug of war, we only do like 5 kids for a side. So it would be maybe like me, my friend Leanna, my friend CJ. So that's 3. Maybe one of the twins, Joe G. One more. Maybe it's A. So shout out to those people that I just called their names. Yeah. So, and then everybody, and Mr. Z helped the gold team, and Miss T, our overflow room teacher, helped the blue team for the last round. And for the last round, we won the gold team. So yeah. What else? What else do I have to say? Overall, everybody did fantastic. And shout out to Miss T and Mr. Z. They're great teachers. Yeah. They're great teachers. They like push you. Like if you don't do something. What did I just say? No. Forget what I just said. They are great teachers. I have so much fun with both of them because with Miss T we do brain breaks. It's like basically like you look on the screen and it's like, would you rather live in a very hot place or a very cold place? And then there would be an exercise. If you would want to live at a very hot place, maybe you would have to do jumping jacks. If you want to live in a very cold place, maybe you would have to do mountain climbers. So yeah. And then with Mr. Z, we do stretching and we do Simon Says, and that's also very fun because I also get to do Simon Says, but I do Bree Says, which is basically the same thing, just with my name. And then Mr. Z does Mr. Z Says. Yeah, they're great teachers. I have so much fun with them. And I learned a lot this year with them. So yeah, back to the video. Okay, so I will rate them all now. First, I'll do the snake because I've been holding this a while. Probably I'll give it like an 8. It's not that good. It's not the best. Yeah, it's an 8. That is the front of my box. So front's over there. This goes over here. So next we have monkey noodles. Probably like a 7. They stretch, they wiggle, they jiggle, they feel good, they make weird noises. Yeah. Next are my puppets. I would probably have to give these a 10 out of 10. I love puppets. They're like my favorite fidget. Puppets and dimples. They're my favorite. Next, these. This is like a 6. They're not that good, but they're still kind of like a fidget, and they feel good, but they're not that good. They like can't all fit, like they all like squirm around. So next, give you my squishies. These are for all my squishies. I'm not gonna rate like this one a 7 and like this one a 9 and this one like a 5. This is for all of them. Probably a 7. I don't really like squishies. Yeah. So They all deserve probably a 7. Put this back into the sky. There. Okay, do I have anything else? Oh, I have this. My milkshake slime. This is a 10 out of 10. It's great. And I love it. It's so much fun. Well, it's only been 15 minutes. Yay, I got my spray bottle to work. It was locked and I couldn't open it. So, see you probably Wednesday because tomorrow I have gymnastics and I'm probably not going to be able to make a video. But if I do, you're lucky. I'm gonna, wait, what's on me? Look, I have chocolate on my face, on my nose, right here. I'm going to squirt the camera, and the video's gonna be done. So, bye. See you Wednesday or Tuesday. Bye.